Hi, this is Bob Rubart from the Oracle Technology Network, and it's Wednesday here at Oracle OpenWorld 2013. I'm here with my new buddy, Luis Weir. Luis has written a new book on Oracle SOA Governance. Get this, you know, Christmas shopping time is coming. So tell me a little bit about the book.
Well, the book is about practical use cases on how to implement governance. It's based on real-life examples on customers' implementations, and basically helps you understand what the steps are to implement governance, how you go about doing a business case, how you go about talking to the business and educate them about how you actually implement SOA to bring benefits to them. And it's that business focus of it. And then we go into how you align tool, processes, and people to actually leverage the full potential of governance. We not only talk about design-type governance tooling, such as Enterprise Repository and Service Registry, but you extend to runtime tooling, such as Web Service Managers, API Gateway, Oracle Enterprise Manager, Cloud Control, or Business Transaction Manager. So yeah, the book is a one-stop shop for governance or SOA consultants in general. That want to implement governance but don't have a full understanding on how to do it or don't get the end-to-end picture.
Okay, so let's see how you've applied all this knowledge you've accumulated that you put into the book. In the last year, what's the most interesting project that you've worked on?
Well, interestingly enough, I'm going to call it deja vu. I mean, I started a new project recently on a customer that's actually facing the same case study as the one we're reading here. So basically, this is a customer, right? They did their own 11G implementation. It didn't go well. They blamed SOA Suite as being the problem. Of course, you blame the tool and you blame the integration team, and they didn't actually understand why it didn't work. So we stepped in, we did an assessment, we identified that actually their implementation was tactical, it wasn't strategic, there were no drivers to measure success, it was just plumbing. There was no strategy or business case around it. This company, right, is undergoing a major transformation. They are becoming global by acquisitions, so they are in 19 countries, right? And they want to centralize their accounting system. So they're asking questions like, okay, I'm going to implement a global ERP instance, right, using Business Suite R12. Well, how am I going to integrate with all the other systems that I have in all my business units globally? And then that's how we position SOA. We said, look, we can help you externalize a set of standardized business services across your core business process areas, like U2C, P2P, R2R. And then when you start rolling out your global instance of ERP, you don't have to develop the service each time. Instead, you reuse them, and therefore you are saving a lot of cost by not having to do analysis, service design, service build, unit test, continuous integration test, system integration test, UAT, performance, and so on. So that's how it was a very simple business case. You can save a lot of money by reuse. All you need to bring is the right tooling to ensure that you have that your business units globally in Japan or New Zealand or Australia or France or Germany have visibility over your assets in your headquarters, in your global ERP, and then you need to create a framework that allows them or gives them the flexibility to build their own integrations, but govern, meaning that they cannot just go wild. We create a pattern language that they can adopt, and then well, it's a win-win situation. They get the flexibility they want to build their own integrations, but we're building a core, strong, robust set of global services that can be reused and accelerate the global ERP implementation. So that's a project I'm working on right now. We're doing we own the Business Suite R12 global instance implementation. We're doing the entire end-to-end implementation of SOA Governance, including SOA Suite, BPM Suite, API Gateway, Web Services Manager, Cloud Control, and so on. We're doing it on the Oracle On Demand on the cloud. We have to integrate with other cloud solutions such as Salesforce.com. They have an in-house cloud application that they build themselves. All the floor planning tools. We're also implementing master data management with the Oracle Customer Data Management, not the UCM civil one, but the one that's based on trading community architecture. So we're implementing the data stewards, we're implementing the data quality manager, we're implementing everything almost.
So you're not getting much sleep these days?
Not at all, especially now with the jet lag. You know?
So speaking of jet lag, how are you spending your time here at OpenWorld? Are you speaking?
I already did yesterday. I spoke on Fusion, how to leverage a Fusion middleware to accelerate and open up your Fusion implementations on the new trends. How, for example, you can use, let's say, a mobile API gateway to externalize the data on your Fusion and create your own mobile apps, for example, or how you can use ODI or SOA Suite to ensure that your information is spread, or you can externalize your information or feed from other integration sources. So it was, I gave it a twist of Fusion middleware to Fusion.
What interests you here? What are you hoping to take away from this show?
Well, a lot interests me. I mean, to be honest, the favorite section for me has been the demo section.
Okay.
So I haven't spent as much time as I wanted there, but it's fantastic. I mean, you can really sit down with some of the top guys, SMEs that actually knows the product, and it's almost like a one-to-one training session. I was the other day sitting down with the sorry, I don't remember his name, but it was the API Gateway product manager. We really went into the detail. We were looking at the console. We went to the shell script. He showed me how to do this, how to do that. I wanted to see the code, so he showed me the code. That for me was, the nirvana. That's where I wanted to get. So I'm getting a lot of insight into new products that I haven't had yet time to train myself on, but I have to implement. So I think that's been just fantastic. I'm really happy.
So it's a learning experience. Well, Luis, thanks for stopping by and giving me a few minutes of your busy schedule today.
Well, thank you for inviting me again. It's been a pleasure.
And hold that book up again. That's Oracle SOA Governance 11G implementation. So put that in somebody's Christmas stocking. For the Oracle Technology Network, I'm Bob Rubart. To stick around the OTN YouTube channel for more videos from Oracle OpenWorld 2013.